Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. If you are new here, my name is Chinenyewa. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and please do subscribe. And then to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always staying put. Like, I don't know how to express this, but I'm really grateful for all your love, all your support on my channel, and yeah, for coming back every single time I post a video to watch and comment. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So today's video is not something that serious. It's not every day we get to cook, we get to rant, we get to do reactions on the comments people left on your comment section or an email someone sent to you. So today's video is all about clarifications. Someone sent me an email asking, Nenye, in your last video you said you were once, like you once went for a marriage class. So today I'm going to be clarifying on that, so that people will not get to say Nenye's Diary was once married and the rest of it. So you guys should sit back, relax as we begin. So as I said earlier, that today's video is all about clarifications and all. So someone sent me an email saying, yeah, I watched your last video and I really enjoy your videos and I like what you do. But then she now said but then that she was worried about when I said I've been to marriage class before. And yes, I've been to marriage class before. It's not something to hide, it's not something to be ashamed of. And yeah, the reason I went for that marriage class is best known to me. So I'm going to be spilling it out here today to clarify the before my name will start trending again on this YouTube street, like Danielle was once married, Danielle was this and that. No. So I'm going to be clarifying on that today. It all started sometime 2014. When I finished my first degree, I was in Port Harcourt with Nelo. Then I went for a visit. Then in Port Harcourt. So with one of our other friend. And then that time we are all at home, you know, girls now. We wake up in the morning, we gist, we talk, we cook and eat, and then we watch movies. So as at that time, Nelo was going for her marriage class. So she now said, you of you guys to stay at home, why not come to the marriage class with me and all? So we said, okay, what's there? We can go with you. Of course, let's know how marriage class is. That was the main reason we went for it. So we now followed her for the first day. And yeah, after the first day, I came to realize that this is something I need. I like the way the man teaches the marriage. Like, I like the way the man pick everything single-handedly and talk on it. So the second day we went, and we've been going for that marriage class because I learned so many things at the process of being there. So until one day, monkey go market, but he no return. Yeah. So that day, the man now realized, because it was time for us to sign the card, but me, I didn't have any card with me. So that was when the man now realized we were not part of the class, that we are just coming. And he even sent us away. He said we should stop coming and all. So which we left. And after some weeks, the man now asked Nelo to tell us to come back again. You see, he now realized that we are even enjoying his class for us to be coming. He now asked us to start the marriage class again, that is even necessary for us to be there, so that we get to know some of the things we might not know at the course of marriage. So that was how it happened. And yeah, one thing I like about the marriage, this marriage class I went to, was it was really an eye-opener for me. And I learned a lot of things, like the man's teaching, I learned a lot of things from him. And he even mentioned so many things that you need to know. Do you know, to be honest with you guys, the reason why I like that marriage class I went for was because the man was so blunt with whatever, with his teaching. He wasn't even hiding anything. He was so open. To him, it was like, there's no need hiding it. Like, this is something people need to know. So he made mention of so many things, which up to today, I still have it in, yeah, I still have it there, because I know that someday it might be of importance to me. So yeah, one of the things that even got my attention when he was teaching was like, he now said that there are so many reasons for you to call off a wedding. Because before I continue, I'm not a relationship expert or a marriage counselor. Before you people come here and start saying, and when did you start this one? No, I am not. But I'm just trying to make some clarification on an email someone sent to me. There are so many reasons for you to call off a wedding, which he listed some, which I still pick up to this day. He now said the first one was like, this one is some hi Chivo. The first one he said was, according to my last video, that is it right or wrong to move in with a guy after engagement? To him, he said it's a no. Yes, that is a no-no. That is not right for you to move in with a guy after introduction. After engagement. That engagement ring is not marriage. That someone might engage you and get to disappoint you later. That is not so right to move in with a guy after engagement. But you can move in with a guy, like you can move in with your man after introduction and your email go, which is what is recognized in our this part of our country, like from the place we are. That is what is even recognized, that once you've done your email and your abamonko, or what is it called, that you are officially married. So that this is our culture, that you can move in with the guy at that point in time. But moving in after engagement is a no-no, to avoid story that touches the heart. Then secondly, he now made mention of this one is so funny, but I have to say it here. So yeah, he's made mention of that another major, like this is the main reason, that to him it's a good reason for a person to call off a wedding, which he said that if your man is so small down there hey, that if your man is so small down there, that's another reason for you to call off a wedding. If you know you cannot deal with it, that if you as a woman, you are the one getting married to this person, if you know that this is not something you can deal with, if you know that this is not something you can take as a married woman to avoid cheating in marriage, that is better for you to call off that wedding. That even if you come to the church and say something of that nature, that them personally will resolve that marriage, so that you guys will go your separate ways. That if your man is so small or too big, you know, there are some people, their own are too big as well that if your man's own is too small or too big and you cannot take any of it, please, it's better for you to call off the wedding and japa. That is better for you that way. So that's another reason he made mention of. And again, that it's better for you to marry someone you can tolerate, or maybe I don't know how to use that word, but he said that it's better for you to marry someone you can tolerate his or her attitude. That if you know you cannot tolerate that person, forget about that person being rich as a guy, or forget about that woman being so beautiful as a woman. No, that is a no-no. If you cannot tolerate the person's attitude, if you cannot tolerate the person's family, is enough reason for you to call off a wedding, to avoid her dino in the future. And yeah, that is it. So guys, I've never been married. But to the person that sent me that email, my dear, I am not angry in any way. I am not ranting. I am not doing any reaction. Like, so, and you needed that clarification, which I've done already. So I am not married. I am not in any way married. I am not in any way done any even introduction or email or whatsoever. I've not done any marriage rites before. So going to that marriage class was just, I did it out of boredom, and yeah, we were just. So the marriage class I went for is not something serious. That's why I said at the beginning of this video that this video is not something that serious. It's just about clarifying people, for them to know, so that they won't come to my channel to start asking me again what happened, why didn't the marriage hold or whatsoever. I was never married. I was never married. I was not once married. I am still Chinenye Chukwuma because so guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.